Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is city creation. City creation, basically we are discussing one topic, that is Microsoft Sand. Basically, in Microsoft Sand, basically one of the person told that up to what level basically Microsoft can do, basically, that is this basically, and this keeps on increase basically. So one of the person told that basically uh, Microsoft Planet basically is created by some group basically, right? And the Microsoft Sand basically is controlling the Microsoft Planet. Same way, is it like the Earth planet is also basically created by some group basically, and their land basically is controlling Earth planet. Their lands basically. It's not one planet basically, because Microsoft is basically planet is created how basically? It's not created basically only by Earth planet basically. It's created by many basically planets and their data basically. It's many planets basically, and there are many planets data basically. So it's a huge process basically. So one of the person told that Earth planet is also created by uh, some set of planets. Then it's 100% correct, no, basically. That is also basically created by set of groups only basically. Same way basically Microsoft Planet created. How basically it's created, that we have already shown basically. So just see basically. This data basically they have given. So planet year basically is 2,83,500. Up to this level basically the planet basically can have, and then basically one person can have his life basically. So same way Earth planet is also basically having their lifestyle, and there also basically we were able to complete the 90,000 year basically. So this 90,000 year basically which we are getting basically, that is also, is it like this basically? Microsoft basically created this year basically one for one person. So somebody is also basically passing the data to the Earth planet, so that basically your 90,000 will get increased. Then one of the person told that yes, basically it's like that only. Basically. So it's like that only basically, the data basically which is getting increased basically, which is getting increased basically. So see basically current earthquake basically. Last earthquake basically when India basically got, that was Meghalaya basically, and that also when basically just see basically. So one of the person told that is very dangerous, yeah basically. That is very dangerous basically. So see basically I have sent one resume to one company basically. It's a Vadodara based company basically. They basically have many products basically. Contact us basically where it is. So the address is this basically. See basically. Products, see basically. So I have applied here for resume basically, for job basically. So one of the person told that is also basically one process basically. So one of the person told that 2,83,500 basically is the year basically of Microsoft Planet basically. If Microsoft Planet basically can give 2,83,500 basically, he basically can give, basically it's not given basically, it's a plan basically. It's a just a plan basically. So one of the person told that basically the 80,000, 90,000 basically which Microsoft is selling basically that he basically can give 90,000, 80,000. That is also basically plan. That is basically already done basically. Here basically I have just taken as a number as a 90,000 basically, but in real basically it's lots of number basically. So one of the person told that uh, same way the Earth planet basically is created, somebody is passing the data and somebody has told that basically currently your age basically in Earth planet basically maximum is 90,000, and that basically few people telling that basically we are increasing that, but data basically is passed by the certain groups basically, then only basically they are, it's getting increased. It's not like that basically the data basically are getting increased like that only. So it's not like that basically the data are getting increased like that only. So one of the person told that 90,000 basically which is getting increased now. Where is 90,000? This 90,000. This is getting increased. Reason it's not basically automatically happening. Somebody's group basically are passing the data. Some groups are basically passing the data. That are the universe group basically who are passing the data basically. So it's not getting increased. And current Earth planet generation group told that basically which is ongoing basically, that are 900 crore people basically still ongoing. They are telling that basically they can give 1 month basically, and they are going to give 1 month basically. They are going to give 1 month. Then one of the person told that 1 month, after giving 1 month basically what are the things going to happen? That's basically is the question basically. If they can give for few people says that basically the current generation basically which is ongoing, that will end basically, but few people basically will exit from the planet basically, but world will end basically, and few people says that basically few people says that basically it will not end basically after this 1 month basically. So it's like that basically, it's depend on the data basically which is collected by this group basically. So it's not like that basically the Earth planet is getting basically. So one of the person told that basically Earth planet target is what basically 90,000 तो already there basically, but 1 month basically is already given basically. 1 month is given by the current generation, and after that 1 month basically already assume that basically 1 month is collected. 1 month is collected. Now basically what are the things going to happen? Then he told that basically two possibilities are there basically after this 1 month. Possibilities. One is Earth planet current generation will end, and second is will not end. That is current. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.